I guess nobody wants to go for a walk. Is baby too tired to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk, baby? Is it walk time?